What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on what you need to do to connect Exness to TradingView. Now you might find that Exness might not be available in your version of TradingView depending on the region or the current status of things between TradingView and Exness. However, these are the steps to follow if you'd like to connect it when it's available for you. So go over to the top right corner, click on Trade, and then you're going to look for the Exness icon right here or the app details. You can see apps like Binance, CM Market, 8cap, FX Pro, etc. Now, of course, you could decide to click on Show All Brokers and look for Exness among the list. As we've mentioned earlier, you might not see the Exness option right here on TradingView because they've not made it available just yet. But once it's made available, you'll be able to connect it right here using these steps. So once it's there, click on it. For example, if this is Exness, you can click on it and you'll see Exness right here, and then click connect and put in your details to authenticate and verify your identity in order to authorize it to connect to TradingView.